Hi there, Serial Trader here. Do a quick check-in with AMRN as there's been some more development since the last video. Now this certainly didn't start trending up in the time frame that I anticipated, and it appears we've done a more complex, potentially triple zigzag wave 4 correction here. Okay, so triple zigzag, so W, X, Y, X, Z, and we came right down to the 50% retracement of what's labeled as wave 3 from our bottom here. And I'm going to call this the end of wave 4 as it looks pretty convincing off the bottom here today. A little bit of volume here starting to show up. And we also have this nice confluence. So yes, we have the 50% retracement of wave 3. We also have the median line of the base channel for wave 1 and 2. And we also have the median line for this corrected price channel for this triple zigzag. So nice confluence here, technical confluence, got a nice reaction, volume coming in, and obviously good confirmation, break out of these channels and start breaking, the initial resistance level around 18, I believe. Yes, right around 18. And then we can start embracing the move up, likely to 20 plus here. So still long AMRN. It's definitely been irritating having this choppy sideways action, although that's what these corrections do. They shake you out of a good position sometimes. I'm not out, I'm still in. I was really watching that kind of 16 level to hold as support, and other than some intraday pokes, it roughly has, and now we're again getting a nice pivot off of there. This looks very mature. Triple zigzag, wave 4, nice confluence, and I think there's a good probability we're now finally heading up for real and won't be a fake out. And I'll get to the candlestick chart on Thinkorswim just to go through some other reasons other than this, Elliott picture, why this looks good. So let's go and do that quickly. Okay, so AMRN, let me get in closer here. So this 50-day simple moving average has been acting as a nice pivot. We've tested it thoroughly. Seems to be holding quite nicely. We got nice and oversold here on this oscillator. Now starting to turn back up here on the daily oscillator. And today, specifically, let's look at today. Today we did a bullish engulfing candlestick, and we engulfed 3 prior candles, real bodies. So that's a powerful bullish engulfing signal. And we closed above the T line, and we got a nice pivot right off that 50-day simple moving average. And we closed up near the higher end, higher end range of the day, and that's certainly a change from what we've been doing. So volume showed up today. So relative volume today was a little higher than it has been the last, I'm going to say 4 or 5 trading sessions anyways. Yeah, so basically the highest volume in about a week, roughly. So everything combined, this looks pretty good. And definitely still gunning for that move to, $20 plus as some initial targets. All right, just thought I'd do a little update on AMRN. Didn't quite cooperate the way I initially expected, but sometimes these complex corrections take place. In fact, they're more likely to take place after a very large and abrupt price move. This wave 3 we had takes the market a while to digest the new price range that's been established, but I think we're there now. Certainly looking good, and now expecting higher prices again. Obviously, the stop. If you're using stock, I'm in long options here, 17 strike options. But if you're using stock, the stop now goes below the low here, the Z wave low at 1565. So throw your stop in there at 1564 if you want to try to go along the stock, and let's see what happens. All right, Serial Trader signing off.